Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi
Waalaikumsalam
wabarakatuh.
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, Shalom, Om Swastiastu, Namo Buddhaya, and warm greeting of virtue to all distinguished participants. Welcome to the Friday morning Zoom meeting of Jati Sampurna Sub-District, held today, Friday, August 28, 2026. First and foremost, let us bow our head and express our deepest gratitude to Almighty God, through His endless grace, blessing, and help. We are able to gather virtually this morning in full formation to coordinate a very historic agenda. The Honorable Head of Jati Sampurna Sub-District, our expected leader, Mr. Natawirya SOS MSI, the Honorable Secretary of Jati Sampurna Sub-District, Mr. Nurdin SOS MI, the respected Echelon 4 official and section head of Jati Sampurna, the Honorable Heads of Village from our 5 beloved urban village, Jatiranggon, Jatirangga, Jatiraden, Jatikarya, and Jati Sampurna. And of course, a warm welcome to all dedicated civil apparatus, both ASN and non-ASN staff, who tirelessly serve our community every single day. Ladies and gentlemen, today is not a regular Friday briefing. We are standing exactly on the eve of one of the most magnificent and colossal cultural celebration in our city calendar. This weekend, all eyes will be on Patriot Chandrabaga Plaza. Therefore, the theme of our meeting this morning is of the utmost importance, PNBK Edition 3, Operational Blueprint and Preparation Mandate, Official Delegation and Compliments Guide for Jati Sampurna Sub-District. This meeting will dictate our flawless execution, our strict wardrobe adherence, our logistical readiness, and our absolute digital compliance for the upcoming festival. Because the directive shared today carry a mandatory status from the city executive leadership, I kindly request all participants to turn on your camera, prepare your notes, and give your undivided attention to officially deliver this operational blueprint and outline our preparation mandate with the highest respect. I would like to invite the Secretary of Jati Sampurna Sub-District, Mr. Nurdin SOS MI. Mr. Secretary, the virtual floor is yours.
Thank you, Miss Sally. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
In the name of God, the most gracious, the most merciful, peace be upon you, and good mercies and blessings. Good morning and peace be upon us all, my peace and prosperity be upon us. Homage is the Buddha, greeting of virtue, the Honorable Head of Jati Sampurna Sub-District, to our respect leader, Mr. Natawirya SOS MSI, who we look up to for guidance and leadership. The respect Echelon 4 official of Jati Sampurna Sub-District, all urban village, head from our beloved areas, and every single dedicated officer, staff member, and civil servant, both civil and non-civil servant of Jati Sampurna Sub-District, who have joined us the morning of Zoom meeting platform for our virtual Friday morning meeting. Dear colleagues, as we gather today on August 27, 2026, we stand just 2 days away from one of the greatest culture celebration in our city's leaders calendars of the Jati Sampurna Sub-District. It is my distinct honor and duty to present to you our operational blueprint and preparation mandates. This briefing serves as our official coordination guide, ensuring 100% operational readiness, logistical alignment, and administrative compliance across all levels of our administration. Today, we will walk through the timelines, the specific cultural responsibilities assigned to Jati Sampurna, our official delegation roster, our strict wardrobe guidelines, and most importantly, the digital compliance mandates regarding our attendance. I kindly request your full attention as we go through this detail to the Jati Sampurna sub-district can perform flawlessly. This detail show what Jati Sampurna sub-district can perform flawlessly and demonstrate the highest standard of discipline and unity. Without further ado, let us proceed to the next slide to look at the big picture. Slide 1. Collegius, let us first establish the executive framework of this landmark event. The event is the Magnificent Archipelago of Bekasi, or said PNBK Edition 3, which carries the powerful theme Bekasi Champions. Protect and preserve the archipelago's culture, a call to action for all of us actively preserve, cherish, and cultivate the rich tapestry of Indonesian culture heritage right here in Bekasi. Please note the critical dates and venue on your calendars. The celebration is divided into two parts. First, the pre-event schedule for Saturday, 29 August 2026. Second, the main event of Sunday, 30 August 2026. Both events will be held at the prestigious Patriot Chandrabaga Plaza, which will serve as the culture epicenter of Bekasi this weekend. To understand the monumental scale of this festival, PNBK Edition 3 is full backed by the Regional Council, the Regional Leadership Forum, and all regional government apparatuses, including all regional agencies and sub-district. It will feature more than 200 professional and mass dancers along 11 district distinct culture parades group referencing the entire Indonesia archipelago from Sabang to Merauke. Now let us zoom in the Jati Sampurna mandate for our sub-district. There are the three absolute non-negotiable mandate for our sub-district mandate. Non-negotiable mandate expectation. First, we require 100 civil servant compliance. This means physical participation for our delegates and strict digital compliance for everyone else. Second, Jati Sampurna is sending 25 official parading per making of a total of 50 parades to march proudly in the main parade, representing our designated culture theme. Third, for all of our civil servant staff who are not marching in the physical parade, there is a strict mobile B3 application attendance mandate for both days. No exception will be tolerated, and compliance will be monitored directly by the city administration. Let us explore the next Sunday morning so spectacular.
Iya.
Next, on this slide, we see the spectacular element that compose the grand vision for Sunday morning August 30th in this showcase of our city culture pride. Designed to inspire the captivate thousands of spectators. The highlight of the parade features three main pillars. The royal procession. This will be an incredibly legal affair. Governor Mr. Deddy Mulyadi will lead the procession reading magnificent white horse. Following him, our Major Dr. Tri Adianto and his wife will appear in the magnificent traditional costume of the Mataram King and Queen. Reading aboard the historic Wikrama Tungga royal carriage. Our Vice Mayor, Dr. Haris Bobiho, will also participate in the royal attire, accompanied by a breathtaking 22-meter sweeping fabric train showcase the intricate beauty of Bekasi batik. The Culture Symphony, providing the musical heartbeat in the morning, will be a 50% marching band from the transportation agency. Traditional Balinese music ensemble and high-class highly disciplined guard of Terci Kanoman Palace Guard from Cirebon, attending to the artistic feast. We will have a special performance by the renowned international Chai singer Anissa Dali Munte, singing the patriot song Glorious Red and White. The Grand Colossal. This is a massive choreographic masterpiece, the Mas Ronggeng Menor Dance. This performance will bring together exactly 200 dancers in a synchronized massive display of color, movement, light, and pure joy, symbolizing a grand warm welcome to the entire festival. As civil servants, understanding this grand vision help us appreciate the scale of national level coordination required. And the Jati Sampurna's flawless execution is so vital to the success of our city. Now let's look at home the festivities began on Sunday. Let us discuss to schedule for day 1, Saturday, 25 August, which consistent of pre-evening leader of Grand Traditional with wooden property showcase in the evening. This afternoon, culture performance on Saturday will process as follows: 3:30 p.m. to 4 p.m. Contemporary music and solo vocal performance organized by the Bekasi City Arts Council. 4 p.m. to 4:30 p.m. traditional dance performance featuring the famous and dance medal Komara and the energetic Genjing Party. 4:30 p.m. to 5 p.m. A beautiful bamboo instrument and traditional wooden property showcase featuring a massive assemble of 186 total participants. Now I must draw your attention to the lower and half of the slide, make with a prominent warning icon. This is a critical action for servant compliance that applies to all of us. For the civil servant who are not marching in Sunday's paradise, which means the vast majority of our staff attending this Zoom meeting today. There is a mandatory B3 mobile attendance requirement of Saturday event even though the culture performance happened in the afternoon. The attendance check-in is scheduled for the evening to elect with a properly speak event. Your check-in window is strictly between 7:30 p.m. and 15 p.m. This your check-in out window is strictly between 9:30 p.m. and 10:30 p.m. Please make sure your B3 application is the update active and that you see alarm on your phones. The sub-district office will compile the compliance report immediately after the window close. And we want Jati Sampurna to maintain its still record of 100% compliance. Let's move on to Sunday main event scenario. Sunday, 30 August 2026 is our main event day. At it requires military grade timing from the participant. Let us walk through the official morning timeline step by step. 6 a.m. SAP and official delegate per mass assembly physically at Patriot Plaza. 6:30 a.m. 6:45 a.m. the arrival of VIPs accompanied by the royal carriage and powerful traditional Balinese ensemble. 6:45 a.m. 6:55 a.m. the performance and Anissa Dalimunte alongside the spectacular 200 mass dancers. 6:55 a.m. 7:50 a.m. official welcoming speeches delivered by of the Mayor of Bekasi and Governor. 7 a.m. onward, the official parade commences, moving as systematical from Culture Group 1 stroke Group 11. Now, let us address the critical mandatory B3 attendance for Sunday. Just like Saturday, all general staff who are not marching in the physical parade must complete digital check-in via the B3 mobile application. The Sunday time windows are much earlier. Your check-in window is strictly between 5:30 a.m. and 6:45 a.m. Yes, collegius, that is early Sunday morning. So please don't oversleep. Your check-out window is strictly between 10:30 a.m. and 11:30 a.m. This mobile attendance is a direct mandate from the city executive leadership to ensure that all civil servants support the festival. Even virtually, now, how is the parade organized? And where does Jati Sampurna stand? Let's look at the culture distribution map. Next. This slide shows the parade synthesis and culture distribution map to ensure a beautiful representation of our nation motto. United in diversity, the city has organized the 11 sub-districts of Bekasi into 11 district culture group spanning the entire Indonesia archipelago. Look at the distribution. Group 1, Rawalumbu, represent Aceh and Palembang. Group 2 is our even own Jati Sampurna sub-district. We have been proudly assigned to showcase the magnificent culture of North Sumatra and Nias, especially of Ulos traditional clothing and Nias heritage. Group 3, Jati Asih, represent Padang, Jambi, Riau, and Minang. Group 4, S Bekasi, represent Lampung. Group 5, Medan Satria, represent Banten, West Java, and Betawi. Group 6, North Bekasi, represent Yogyakarta and Madura with traditional lurik fabric. Group 7, Bantar Gebang, represent Kalimantan. Group 8, Pondok Melati, represent Bali. Group 9, Mustika Jaya, represent NS Nusa Tenggara. Group 10, South Bekasi, represent Gorontalo and North Sulawesi. Group 11, West Bekasi, represent Maluku and Papua. This strategic distribution ensure that the entire edition 3 parade represent unified Indonesia archipelago. As Jati Sampurna, we are positioned right in the beginning as Group 2, which means we will be in the spotlight early in the morning. This is a massive honor, and it means we must be absolutely ready. Let us look closely the Jati Sampurna specific spotlight and information. Slide 7. This slide highlights the Jati Sampurna spotlight in Group 2. Our official parade time slot is strictly from 7:30 a.m. and 7:45 a.m. This is our 15 minutes window of glory before the main stage. Our official coordinator and supervising this segment are Mr. Acep, Mr. Herman Low, Mr. Herman Low, and Miss Esther. Please coordinate closely with them in the ground. Our total Group 2 segment features and grant information of 146 total participants. Organized of follows. At the front, we have the red light carnival and traditional puppet characters. Bringing the creative and eco-friendly artistic element to parade. They are following by the local culture ambassadors representing our regional heritage. Next, we have our college Jewish from the National Unity and Politic Agency distributing egg pair beautifully adorned in Ulos traditional attire. Following them, the Department and Trade and Industry representing the Nias traditional attire. And proudly encouraging our group Jati Sampurna Sub-District is fielding 25 official pair representing our sub-district leadership, ward head, and case staff dresses in local traditional attire. As part of Group 2, we are according to world class cultural showcase Tortor Dancer, a legendary traditional celebration dance from North Sumatra. This performance represents the spiritual strength, blessing, and elegance the Ulos culture. Nias stone jumping. This will be present by the renowned Banuanda Dano Niha Art Studio. It is an energetic jaw-dropping showcase of the warrior, traditional and coastal beauty of Nias, where artistic performer lab offer a massive stone structure. This is guaranteed to be one of the group's favorite highlight to our parades and coordinator. Let us ensure these performances are escorted with the utmost respect and flawless coordination. Let us now review the roster of our official Jati Sampurna delegation. Next, slide. Color use of this slide is the official delegation roster of Jati Sampurna representing our leadership and our urban village. This roster is legally performalized under our official assignment letter number 100.1.11.1 55. I will read out the name of the 14 delegated who will physically represent us. From the Jati Sampurna sub-district, first myself, Mr. Nurdin Esos and my wife, Mr. Ucup Supratman and Miss Dian Kurnianingsi, Eskom, Mr. Mustono ST, MM with and Miss Reni Esther Siregar, Eskom, Mr. Rahmat Jamhari, SA, and Miss Sriyanti from Jatikarya Urban Village, Mr. Abdul Barkah SAMM and his wife, Miss Wartiningsih SH and Miss Terkarta Sasmita, Miss Kustini and Rizky Ardiansa, Nurdiana and Akmal David, Sub-District Jatiraden Agus Budianto and his wife, Amir Mahmud and his wife, Asep Supriyadi and Siti Nurpaija, Mr. Tegar Bahari and Tiana Dewi, Jatiranggon, Yuban Village, Mr. Dedi Suryadi Hidayat and his wife, Miss Hernastiawati SA and her partner, to all the 40 pairs listed here. You represent the face and dignity and the spirit of Jati Sampurna. We carry the expectation of our entire community, and I am highly confident that this delegation will represent our with extraordinary grace and professionalism. Let us now discuss the strict wardrobe and dress code mandate. Colored use wardrobe compliance is a highly critical aspect of our participation. There is an official warning issued by the regional secretariat under letter number 400.40.10 4244, stating that all attendees must dress strictly to the cultural attire mandate. The dress code are divided into two distinct categories. For executive leadership, target our sub-district head of Jati Sampurna, male attire the formal traditional base cap jacket. Female attire the legend traditional kebaya. This distinguishes attire the reserved for the head of the sub-district and executive VIPs to signify their leadership. For all civil servant and official delegate, target the 225 parade fair and all general staff. Male attire, the traditional pangsi, clothing representing strength, simplicity, and cultural pride. For the female attire, the vibrant, beautiful, embroidered traditional Incim blouse. Please ensure that your attire is prepared, present, and complied with all necessary traditional accessories by Friday evening. This should be no improvisation, the deviation from this mandate. We must look uniform, neat, and highly professional as we represent Jati Sampurna sub-district. Now let us re-emphasize the technical aspect of our attendance compliance. This slide is the administrative for our briefing, and I expect every single with servant and non-civil servant staff member in this Zoom call to memorize this timing. This is our universal civil servant compliance guide for B3 mobile attendance. Let us review the exact digital check-in in the check-in out window day 1 Saturday 26 August. Check windows the open at 7:30 p.m. and close it at 8:15 p.m. Check out member open 9:30 p.m. and close it at 10:30 p.m. Day 2 Sunday 30 Agustus main event check-in window open at 5:13 p.m. and close at 6:45 p.m. AM. Check out window open at 10:30 a.m. and close at 11:30 a.m. Now let us look at the crucial box on the right. The delegate section. for our official delegation, the 14 listed pair who are marching in the parade. In the parade, you have a physical assembly mandate. You must physically assembly at Patriot Plaza by 6 p.m. sharp of Sunday morning. Please not even though you are physically present, D3 digital mobile attendance, I still absolutely require for you. Don't forget to tap your attendance on your phone while assembling physically. To all ward heads and division head, please supervise your staff and ensure that no one missed these windows. Attendance reports are submitted district directly to the city's regional education and training personnel agency, and expect Jati Sampurna to maintain a perfect compliance record. Let us wrap up with our final checklist on slide 11. Slide 11. Collegius, we have reached the final slide, our operational readiness checklist. Before we adjourn this meeting and prepare for the weekend, let us double check our individual and collective preparation. Roster confirmed our 14 delegated pair from Jati Sampurna sub-district and the urban village are officially deployed and full confirmed for Group 2. All delegates must remember to physically assembly at Patriot Chandrabaga Plaza by 6 a.m. Sunday morning. Attire secure. Make sure your traditional pangsi attire for men. The traditional encim blouse for women are fully read and compliant. Teach ready. Ensure your BT application is updated. Your mobile signal is stable, and you have set alarm boot Saturday evening. Check-in starting at 7:30 p.m. And Sunday morning check-in starting at 5:30 p.m. Dear Collegius, PNBK Edition 3 is not just a parade. It is a platform to demonstrate our unity, our discipline, and our deep love for our culture heritage under the theme Bekasi Champion. To our respected sub-district head, Mr. Nata Wirya, SOS MSI, thank you immensely for your continuous leadership. Trust the support in guiding our preparation to all Echelon 4 official and every staff member of Jati Sampurna. Thank you for your incredible hard work, coordination, and dedication. Let us stand united, support each other on the ground, and saw the entire city of Bekasi. The outstanding spirit of Jatisampurna Sub-District. I wish our delegation the greatest success in the parade, and I wish us all a smooth compliance and joyful weekend of celebration. Thank you very much. Good. May God bestow upon us high guidance and blessing. Peace be upon you and God's mercies and blessing. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Mr. Nurdin, for the highly detailed and clear operational mandate. Next, we respectfully invite the head of Jatisampurna District, Mr. Natawirya SSMSI, to deliver his response and directive. Mr. Natawirya, the virtual floor is yours.
Thank you, Sally, and my highest appreciation to the Secretary of Jatisampurna Sub-District, Mr. Nurdin, for delivering such a comprehensive, highly structural, and crystal clear operational blueprint. Colleagues, excellent for official and especially the head of village listen to me careful. What we have just seen from the secretary is not merely a schedule, it is a strike mandate of our discipline, our unity, and our pride state apparatus. PNBK Edition 3 carrying the Grand Dam Bekasi champion. Protect and preserve the archipelago culture is the ultimate stake for our city. And Jatisampurna has been given an extraordinary honor. We are positioned in Group 2, right at the forefront of this monumental parade. We are not just walking, we are showcasing the mystic culture of North Sumatra and Nias. We are escorting the legendary Tortor dance and the breathtaking Nias stone jumping. This meant the eyes of the governor, the mayor, and tens of thousands of citizens will be directly on our early Sunday morning. There is absolute zero margin for error. The directives are non-negotiable, 100% compliant for our 25 official fiscal delegates. In Group 2, assembling sharp at 6:00 AM, 100% compliant in wearing the traditional pangsi and encim attire with absolute neatness and 100% digital compliant through the B3 mobile attendant for all non-parading staff, both on Saturday evening and in the very early hours of Sunday morning. However, a blueprint is only a piece of paper without flawless execution on the ground. As the leader of your respective territories, the burden of this execution falls on your shoulders. Therefore, I don't want passive listeners today. I want to hear directly from every single head of village right now. I demand you to turn on your microphone, explicitly state your absolute readiness, confirm your staff capability to execute this mandate, and provide any strategic suggestion to ensure our preparation is impenetrable. Let us demonstrate the Jatisampurna always led by example. Moderator, please call upon the Lurah.
Thank you, Mr. Chaman, for the frame directive. We invite every head of village to express their readiness and support. First, we respectfully invite the head of social welfare section, Kelurahan Jatiranggon.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi
Waalaikumsalam
wabarakatuh.
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you, Moderator. Honorable Head of Jati Sampurna District, Mr. Nata Wirya SOS MSI, Respect District Secretary Mr. Nurdin SOS MI, and all my esteemed fellow village heads. On behalf of the entire administration and staff of Kelurahan Jatirangon, I stand before you today to unequivocally declare our 100% readiness and absolute commitment to executing this mandate. We fully realize the magnitude of PNBK Edition 3 and the immense cultural pride it brings to our city. Regarding our physical deployment for Group 2, I am proud to report that our official delegates mandate under assignment letter number 800.1.11.1 slash 55 strip specifically pair number 13 Mr. Dedi Suryadi Hidayat SAP and his wife, as well as pair number 14 Mrs. Herna Setiawati SA and her partner, are fully prepared. Their traditional pangsi and enchim attire have been meticulously fit, pressed, and secured for the event. They are highly energized and ready to assemble at Patriot Plaza by 6 a.m. Serve to proudly escort the Tortor Dance and Nia Stone Jumping. Furthermore, regarding the digital compliance mandate, I have a strategic suggestion. Knowing how tight and early the B3 mobile attendance windows are, specifically the 7:30 p.m. window on Saturday and the highly crucial 5:30 a.m. window on Sunday morning, I propose that we establish a dedicated temporary WhatsApp task force group across the sub-district. Within Jatirangon itself, I have already assigned a specific administrative coordinator whose sole job this weekend is to send digital wake-up calls and monitor the check-in status of every single staff member in real time. We must ensure that not a single person oversleeps or misses the digital tap-in due to technical oversight. Kelurahan Jatirangon is fully locked in. We are ready to march, ready to comply, and ready to make Jati Sampurna the absolute best in this festival. Thank you, Mr. Chamat, for your strong leadership. Thank you.
We appreciate the excellent preparation and monitoring suggestion from the Head of Social Welfare Section of Kelurahan Jatirangon. Next, we invite the Head of Social Welfare Section of Kelurahan Jatiranga to deliver your readiness and input.
Jatiranga,
Hello, Kasih Kesos, the Head of Social Welfare Section of Kelurahan Jatiranga.
Jatiranga,
Secretary, please.
Hello, Jatiranga, please.
Mr. Kamaludin, please.
Hello, Jatiranga.
Mr. Kamaludin, please. Back up. Showing. Mr. Kamarudin, Sekretaris of Urban Village Jatirangga, please.
Jatirangga, please.
Waalaikumsalam.
Hello, Jatirangga.
Next. Maybe next.
Next.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bisa nggak, Sar? Bisa nggak, Sar?
Please, Miss Shelly.
Next, we respectfully invite the Secretary of Kelurahan Jatiranden to take the floor because Kelurahan Jatirangga is trouble. The Secretary of Kelurahan Jatiranden to take the floor.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you, moderator. Honorable Head of Jati Sampurna District, Mr. Natawirya SOS MSE. Respected District Secretary Mr. Nurdin SOS MA NL Mai, Ultimate College Cash Accord the Sub-District. On behalf of the entire government, apparatus and community of Kelurahan Jatiranden, I would like to state our absolute and unwavering operational commitment to this mandate. We completely understand that P3K, that PNBK Edition 3 is monumental test of our collective discipline, and Jatiranden is full located in ensure zero virus. Regarding our physical participant, I am pleased to report that our official delegates, specifically Mr. Agus Budianto SA and his wife, Mr. Amir Mahmud SOS and his wife, Mr. Asep Supriyadi with Ms. Siti Nur Paija, and Mr. M. Tegar Bahari with Ms. Diana Tiwi. As mandated under assignment letter number 800.1.11.1/35 have valid secured their traditional function and gym active. They are mentally and physically prepared to represent our sub-district with the biggest level of grip and grit. Drawing for our experiences in past large-scale public event, I would like to offer a logistical suggestion. Considering that the parade in massive spanning 11 district cultural group and that or group 2 segment has a 3 time slot starting at 7:30 a.m. Following all of standing and assembling Sensit M. Publica particle will be a major factor for or 149. Parade 3-4. I strongly suggest that we prefer portable press and kits, extra wilted welter and like energy select station rate at or sub assembly point. We must safeguard the shield, the health and stamina of everyone marching. As because since we are according physical demanding performance like the tour dance and the Niastun jumping. Kelurahan Jatiraden is preferred to support every aspect of this operational domain. Thank you, Camat. Thank you, Mr. Camat, for your inspiring leadership.
We appreciate the vital health and safety suggestion from the Secretary of Kelurahan Jatiraden. Now we respectfully invite the Secretary of Kelurahan Jatirakarya to take the floor. Secretary of Kelurahan
Assalamualaikum
Jatirakarya.
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi
Waalaikumsalam
wabarakatuh.
wabarakatuh.
Thank you, moderator. Honorable Head of Jati Sampurna District, Mr. Natawirya Esos MSI, respected District Secretary, Mr. Nurdin Esos MI, and all my esteemed fellow head across the sub-district. On behalf the entire government and Paratas community and staff of the Kelurahan Jatikarya, I would like to explicitly declare our absolute readiness, unwavering enthusiasm, and total commitment to executing every single line of this operational blueprint. We recognize that PNBK Edition 3 is a monumental success of civic pride, and Jatikarya is fully prepared to play its part to absolute perfection regarding our physical participation in Group TU. Our official mandated delegate specifically per number 5, Mr. Abdul Barka, SIMM, and this wife. Per number 6, Mr. Wateningsi, SEC, with Mr. Karta Sasmita. Per number 7, Ms. Kustini, SI, with Mr. Rizky Ardiansa, SI. And per number 8, Ms. Nurdiana, SI, with Mr. Akmal David. And other assignment letter number 800.11.1/55 have fully secured the traditional attire, environmentally Dear Daptu, the present our sub-district with main grades building upon the past tactics. Logistical point raised by my colleagues regarding our midship 149-47 formation, I would like to end at crucial procedural gestation. Since Jati Sampurna is strengthened with the high honor of as according to world class calculated performance. The legendary tournament ended taking Niaston jumping, our visual present to soon and spacing our different route must be flawless. Therefore, I propose that we conduct a brief, highly focused formation layout and spacing rehearsal tomorrow afternoon, right here within the sub-district office ground. This will ensure that our delegate, the Kasbang Volvers, this dar Perin Pers, and our Patpit Karat that know their exact positioning on voicing before we step onto the great state of Patriot Out Plaza. Kelurahan Jatikarya is locked and fully compliant the Jateli on operational ready. Thank you, Mr. Camat, for your exceptional guidance. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam
Waalaikumsalam
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you to the Secretary of Kelurahan Jatikarya for the excellent rehearsal suggestion. Finally, we respectfully invite the Secretary of Kelurahan Jati Sampurna to deliver your readiness and support.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi
Waalaikumsalam
wabarakatuh.
warahmatullahi
Thank
wabarakatuh.
you, moderator, honorable
Wabarakatuh.
head of Jati Sampurna District, Mr. Natawirya SOS MSI, Deputy District Secretary, Mr. Nurdin SOS MI, and all my esteemed fellow pilek head across the sub-district. On behalf of the entire government apparatus, staff, and community of Kelurahan Jati Sampurna, I would like to explicitly declare of utmost readiness, unwavering capability, and total commitment to executing every single mandate outlined in the operational blueprint. We understand that as a sub-district bearing our name, we must lead by absolute example in discipline, coordination, and execution for PNBK Edition 3. Regarding our digital compliance and internal readiness, I am proud to report that all our general staff and administrative team have thoroughly rapid the B3 mobile attendant Midland, who have already conducted internal check on all the pieces to ensure applications are updated and are located in for the critical Saturday evening and Sunday morning check-in window. Furthermore, building upon the brilliant infrastructure and logistical point presided by our colleagues, I want to emphasize our technical readiness. Since our operation and attendant taking heavily ready on cloud-based system, I have personally ensured they all from office internet when wet at Kelurahan Jati Sampurna is 10 and fully optimist. We are leaving zero room for technical glitches. Kelurahan Jati Sampurna stand firmly behind the sub-district leadership. We are operationally ready, digitally compliant, and fully geared up to make Jati Sampurna shine. Thank you, Mr. Camat, for your continuous and inspiring guidance. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi
wabarakatuh. We deeply appreciate the absolute readiness, strategic input, and unwavering support from all the Lurah. Now we respectfully invite the head of Jati Sampurna District to deliver his final response and directive. Regarding this massive support, Mr. Camat, the virtual floor is yours.
Thank you, Sally, to all the head of village Jatiranggon, Jatiranga, Jatiraden, Jatikarya, and Jati Sampurna. I am extremely proud and profoundly energized to hear your 100% readiness and unwavering commitment today. I have listened carefully to every single operational input you provide, and I must say this is the exact proactive leadership I expect from Jati Sampurna. We don't just follow instructions, we perfect them. The suggestion from Jatiranggon to create the dedicated WhatsApp monitoring group for the B3 check-in is brilliant. Implement is immediately crossed all over to ensure no one misses the time windows. Jatiranga idea to establish a specific sub-assembly point at the Patriot Plaza prior to the Sheikh EM General Assembly with guarantee our massive formation of 149 participants is practically organized before the pipe even arrive. Jatiraden foresight regarding extra bottled water and medical kit is absolutely crucial. We must remember that we are exporting highly energetic performance, the Tortorden and the Niaston jumping, with demand peak physical endurance, and to Jatikarya, your initiative for the final formation result. Tomorrow afternoon is purely approved. I want the result to the prices, ensuring our 25 official fires know exactly where to stand and how to match. Colleagues, I demand that every stakeholder, every echelon, for official, every lura, and every single civil apparatus in the sub-district absolute support this PNBK Edition 3 preparation mandate. This is our moment. The mandate is uniquely clear for the official delegate. We are your traditional Pangsi and Encim Thai whites. The utmost pride and dignity for the rest of the staff. Ensure your B3 mobile attendance is executed flawlessly on Saturday night and early Sunday morning. This Sunday we're not just participants, we are the culture ambassador of North Sumatra and Nias. We are the best of Jati Sampurna, let present ourselves as the most disciplined, the most vibrant, and the most unified group in the entire city of Bekasi. Executive this operational blueprint practically let us embody the true Bekasi champion spirit. Thank you, my God. Almighty bless our endeavors. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you very much, Mr. Camat, for that powerful conclusion and clear directive. Your leadership ensure our coordination and disciplines will be unmatched this weekend. Ladies and gentlemen, we have reached the end of our agenda. I want to convey my deepest appreciation to all participants for your enthusiasm, focus, and incredible spirit throughout today's critical meeting. Let us take this energy and execute our operational blueprint flawlessly. I officially close today's meeting. Have a wonderful Friday and see you at Patriot Plaza. Wabillahi wal taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi
wabarakatuh.
Take a picture.
Mantap.
Before we end, may I kindly ask Mr.
Wah,
Salam
itu
to take
dakwanya
a
memang.
picture for our documentation. Mr. Salam, please kindly take a picture. Thank you. Mr. Salam.
Okay, I will take a picture. So, give your best smile. Okay, I will count. 1, smile. Please smile. Smile. 1, 2, 3. Okay.
Next.
Once again, smile again. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Once again, last slide. Give your best smile. 1, 2, 3. Okay, thank you very much.
Okay. Thank